The state of Alaska is one of the most intriguing places in all of America. It's known for its incredible natural beauty and wildlife. And there are so many different things to see and do here. So today, we show you some of the best places to visit in this great state. But before we get into it, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more. Also, keep watching because no one is absolutely stunning. Number 10. Katmai National Park. Katmai National Park is located on the Alaskan Peninsula and is home to brown bears, black bears, salmon, and other wildlife. The park is also known for its beautiful scenery, which includes glaciers, volcanoes, and lush rainforests. There are a number of different ways to explore Katmai National Park, including hiking, camping, and fishing. But one of the best ways to see the park is by taking a float plane tour. This will allow you to get up close and personal with the park's amazing wildlife and scenery. No. 9. Fjords, mountains, and forests. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including bears, moose, whales, and eagles. One of the best things to do in Kenai Fjords National Park is to take a boat tour. This will allow you to see the parks, glaciers, fjords, and wildlife up close. You can also go hiking, camping, or fishing in the park. Number 8. Denali National Park. Denali National Park is located in central Alaska and is home to North America's tallest mountain. Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley, the park is also home to a variety of other wildlife, including bears, moose, caribou, and wolves. One of the best things to do in Denali National Park is to go on a bus tour. It tells you all about the area's history and wildlife. You can also go hiking, camping, or fishing in Denali National Park. Just be sure to pack for all types of weather, as conditions can change quickly in the park. No. 7. Glacier Bay National Park. If you're looking for an Alaskan adventure, Glacier Bay is home to over 3 million acres of temperate rainforest, glacier-carved fjords, mountains, and tidewater glaciers. Visitors can explore the park by hiking, camping, kayaking, or taking a cruise. Be sure to keep an eye out for whales, bears, and other wildlife while you're here. With so much to see and do, it's no wonder that Glacier Bay is one of the most popular national parks in the United States. Number 6. Anchorage. Anchorage is a city in south-central Alaska that serves as the state's largest city and principal transportation hub. As of the 2020 census, the population was 301,344, making it the largest city in Alaska by far. Anchorage is situated at the head of Cook Inlet, about 125 miles northeast of the state capital of Juneau. The city is surrounded by mountains and forests and is located near several popular tourist destinations, including Denali National Park and the Kenai Peninsula. Anchorage is home to a variety of museums, art galleries, and theaters. The city also has a thriving restaurant scene, and there are a number of breweries and distilleries to choose from. No. 5. Fairbanks. Fairbanks is a city in interior Alaska and serves as the state's second-largest city. As of the 2020 census, the population was 31,359, making it the second-largest city in Alaska after Anchorage. Fairbanks is located on the Chena River, about 100 miles north of the Arctic Circle. The city is known for its northern lights, which can be seen dancing across the sky during the winter months. Fairbanks is also home to a number of museums, including the University of Alaska Museum of the North and the Morris Thompson Cultural and Visitor Center. The city also has a number of parks and recreation areas, including Creamer's Field Migratory Waterfowl Refuge and the Fairbanks Ice Museum. No. For Juneau. If you're looking for a truly unique vacation spot, look no further than Juneau, Alaska. Located in the southeastern part of the state, Juneau is a city unlike any other. As of the 2020 census, the population was 31,275, making it the third-largest city in Alaska after Anchorage and Fairbanks. The city is surrounded by mountains and glaciers and is accessible only by boat or plane. Juneau is home to a number of unique attractions, including the Alaska State Museum and the Mendenhall Ice Caves. The city is also known for its whale watching and bear viewing opportunities, whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or something in between. Juneau has something for everyone. No. 3. Seward. Seward is a city in south-central Alaska that sits on Resurrection Bay, about 2 hours' drive from Anchorage. No. To Sitka. Sitka is a city in southeast Alaska that is known for its rich history and natural beauty. The city is located on the island of Baranof, about 1,200 miles east of Juneau. As of the 2020 census, the population was 8,957. Sitka is home to a number of historic sites, including the Sitka National Historical Park, which commemorates the site of the 1804 battle between the Russians and the Tlingit people. The city is also known for its bird watching and whale watching opportunities. You can also go hiking, biking, or fishing in Sitka. The city also has a number of art galleries and shops to explore. Skagway. Skagway is a town in the southeastern part of Alaska. As of the 2020 census, the population was 963. The town is located at the foot of the White Pass and Yukon Route, a historic train route that was used to transport gold miners during the Klondike Gold Rush of the late 19th century. Today, Skagway is a popular destination for cruise ship passengers who come to explore the town's rich history and natural beauty. One of the best things to do in Skagway is to take a ride on the White Pass and Yukon train. You can also go hiking, biking, or fishing in Skagway. The town also has a number of art galleries and shops to explore. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the best places to visit in Alaska. This state has so much to offer, from its incredible natural beauty to its rich history and culture. We encourage you to come and explore Alaska for yourself. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.